Yes. Another beautiful mining opportunity, crypto miner. I love passive income opportunities. I love passive income opportunity. Look, there are a lot of ways to make money in the crypto space. A lot of ways to make money in the crypto space. You just need to understand it, and you need to take advantage of it when it is the right time. Now, take notes. I'm not a financial advisor. I am only telling you what I am doing. So this is another opportunity I joined few days ago, and I've been mining X. I came across this opportunity, and X is also one of the best, one of the good cryptocurrency on the coin market cap. You can go and check it. Check it. It's always good you do your due diligence. When an opportunity is introduced to you, always go and do your own research. So this business is built. X is a very good coin, but this crypto miner is built on the Polygon Matic instead of the Ethereum blockchain because of the transaction fee. So look at it. It's an opportunity that gives you a privilege to earn hex daily, about 3% of whatever you are farming. So what you do is you buy miners, let me call them farmers. You buy miners who dig. You can call it digging, you can call it mining, or whichever way you want to call it, whatever word you want to use. You mine the coin, you have X to yourself, and so for you to get involved, there's a link below. You paste your link on your dApps of Trust Wallet, set your wallet, either MetaMask or Trust Wallet. You set it to Polygon Matic network. Then you have enough Polygon Matic in your there's a process. I'll drop the process below this video so that it's going to be easy for you to go through the process. Now you get involved, you approve. When you approve, you put the quantity of X you are mining here again. Where you have 100, you put the coin. Now, if assuming you are putting 100 here, you now put 99 here. Just reduce it by 1. Reduce it by 1. I don't know why it is being done that way, but reduce it by 1, and you see, okay, simple as that. Now, so far so good. Today, I have already mined 6X. A mine is about 0.4 cents. So that's I've mined about that's about how much? A good amount of dollars today. That's more than $3. Not too much, but small. I will compound and I will add more money soon. I'm just test running it. So, and it's also good. This is a new project, so it's also good to come with something reasonable so that you can cash out early enough. Now, one of the ways you can improve your earning is to compound. Now, so this 6 mine I've earned, I don't want to retake it today. I want to compound it. So look at it. I'm going to click on compound. I'm compounding. I'm not taking it. I'm compounding. Let's see. I hope the network doesn't delay us. The network is delaying. Now, another thing, that Polygon Matic is not a very fast network. So when you are doing it, be patient to go through the process. Polygon Matic is not a fast network. You can see the money has not gone, but it will go. Don't worry about that. As long as you have approved, it will go by the time you come back again. So it's very easy. It's very easy. Now, that's my affiliate link. Get the affiliate link below and embrace it early. Get started early. The stuff is, and here, look at it. Every day you need to look at. I have just 35 minutes more for my barrel to be full. Unfortunately, I've already taken out. I'm compounding already. If not, you are reducing the efficiency of your miner. So every 24 hours, depending on, you can say 12 hours, you can say 10 hours, depending on your strategy, it's expedient. You take your mine, you compound, or you compound, or you withdraw, depending on the strategy. For the next 1 week, 2 weeks, I want to keep compounding to build my portfolio. Let's see how it goes. Take note, it's expedient you do your research. Take 100% responsibility for your decision. I'm taking that. Somebody introduced this to me. I've joined, and I'm telling you, so do your research and take 100% responsibility. Have a wonderful day.